Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamara, and today I'm going to be DIYing my fireplace, so stay tuned. Hello YouTube, this is Tamara Dorsey, and I am your first choice realtor here in South Atlanta. I am also a first grade school teacher and just a creative in general. I've modeled, I've been in background stuff, just a true creative. I just love anything that keeps me creative. So today I am going to be DIYing my fireplace. I'm going to be whitewashing it, and hopefully it turns out beautiful. Now, I've watched quite a few YouTube videos, but I'm just going to pick and choose the method I want to do. It's going to be the TAM method. That's what we're going to call it, okay? What I'm using to do it? Okay, calm down. Y'all doing a little too much. Okay. This Valspar multi-surface paint in white, okay? But it's interior paint latex. It's a primer. So I'm going to have to mix that with water. And I bought a mixing bucket. Mixing sticks. Okay. 1 gallon. Now they have the different sizes, but I just got the medium ones. You can never go wrong with medium. I also bought, so this is a masonry brush. I believe I'm going to use this to just clean off the fireplace first. And I don't know. I don't think it's going to be good for paint. But definitely to clean it off. Get all that dirt out. Now, Lowe's only had these little brushes. I drove around to different stores, baby. They didn't have anything. So I guess everybody is trying to just get comfortable in their home. Thank you, quarantine. Can paint opener. I bought a drop cloth. Everything came from Lowe's. My paint and cleaning rag. My paint and cleaning rag. These are just clean cloths to clean up. Some people use them to wipe the paint off as they're painting. But I've also seen a lady do it who she didn't even use these. So whatever I think is best. And I bought frog tape, okay? Now, I was going to buy the regular blue tape, you know, the Scotch tape, but I saw on the label, it said without the paint block. It's a different. I wanted to look as sharp as possible. So, I bought the frog tape. Spent a little extra money. Okay, but yeah, so these are my items that I will be using. And let's get started.
Look, tell me what's your motivation? Is it Benz? Is it Bentleys? Is it riding around with your kin? On the racks, all in that bin. Tell me when you gon' stop hating. That shit don't look good on you, bro. Yeah, you talking like you a hoe. I'm a nigga's always on go.
Tell me what's your motivation? Just to live a life that gets by. Wanna get right, you must at least try. Sun in my eyes, cause I can see the rise. Tell me where you gonna take it. If it goes less, when you lose your way.
So I'm about to mix my paint and water. I'm gonna start off with a little bit first. Let me show you that. So to speed up the process, because I do have to get to work. What's too loud? Okay, so I'm trying to speed up this process as much as I can. And I've seen a lot of people take the brush and go through. I'm only gonna do that in the ridges. For most of this, I am gonna use a roller. I feel like that'll be a lot quicker, a lot smarter. You know, it's not supposed to be a perfect project. It's just supposed to look like something, in my opinion. But let me go ahead and mix my paint. Okay, so I'm going to use the primer first. Now, I think, let's see if I need latex interior, masonry, that's brick. Okay, let's... Ooh, I opened up paint. If you couldn't already tell, I'm going to go ahead and put 10 ounces of water in. Now, this is a pretty big bucket. Girl, you're doing too much. They say you want to use clean water. Save a little bit for me when I get thirsty. Hello. I need that much. Okay. don't know how much I'm supposed to put in. I'm just doing what I can. Getting it in where I can fit in. And then I'm going to mix it. Okay, maybe too much water. No big deal. It's no big deal. Still might be too much water, Tam. You did your thing on the water. Like, girl, would you stop? You were doing B mode. Dollar store. Hello. Talk to him. Tam, talk to him. Told y'all, I'm only going in with the brush for my ridges, for the detail. After I mix it, I'm gonna pour this into my little pan. Ooh, looking like the smell of paint. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm definitely supposed to put something down on top of this. That's what I need to do before I bust any other move. Lay it down.
I'm a nigga's always on go. Tell me what's your motivation? Just to live a life that gets by. Wanna get right, you must at least try. Sun in my eyes, cause I can see the rise. Tell me where you gonna take it. Ay, so less when you lose your way. Ride to arrest for those with no pay. Gotta both flex, but that's when I wait. No more dependence on niggas, it's just me. Now when I win, it's a feeling so lovely. Niggas who hate this gon' claim that I'm lucky. Ran through the mud for the goal like it's rugby. Nigga got shot in his top, he a victim. Niggas on the block had a plot that's against her. Keep your eyes locked, cause the spots in your rear view. Ain't no second thoughts when the odds getting near you. Ain't no feeling better than to make it to the crib. If I didn't die, it's a blessing that I live. Keep on getting high like I'm stepping on the air. Keep on getting by till I'm clutching on the mail. Cooking in the yard like a kitchen what it is. Better watch the hoe cause she fucking with the kid. She always by the biz and she never in my biz. And she doesn't have a kid, man. I'm blessed with what she is.
Yeah, what's your motivation? What's your motivation? Yeah. What's your motivation? Yeah.
Look, tell me what's your motivation? Is it Benz? Is it Bentleys? Is it riding around with your kin? On the racks, all in that bin. Tell me when you gon' stop hating. That shit don't look good on you, bro. Yeah, you talking like you a hoe. I'm a nigga's always on go. Tell me what's your motivation? Just to live a life that gets by. Wanna get right, you must at least try. Sun in my eyes, cause I can see the rise. Tell me where you gonna take it. If it goes less when you lose your way. Ain't no
So as you can see, I am just cleaning up any paint that I got on the surrounding surfaces. I highly recommend this DIY project to anyone who is looking to open up a tight space in their home. It's a lot of fun and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So go get dirty, y'all. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.